Hi guys, so here we have an Acer-aspire A514-54G model. So it's a 2021 model, and the issue here is the speakers are not working properly. So firstly we have to remove all the screws, and for it we need a screwdriver and a tool like this to open the lid. Firstly remove all the screws carefully. So I have removed all the screws, as you can see here. Open the back panel. For it, use this tool, or you can even use an ATM card or a debit card of sort to just slide it and open the back panel. It can be quite tricky if you're trying for the first time, but once you have opened it, then it is easier the second time. I'm currently finding it hard to open it as I'm recording with one hand and trying with another. So if it's not working for one side, you can try for the other side, just like I did. So here we are. I have opened the back lid. As you can see, these are my speakers, and you can see how worn down it is. So I have to replace this. Now for it, the only fix here is you have to add the newly bought speakers to it, and while ordering you have to be careful about the number. So the speaker number is specific to a particular model, so you have to search in such a way. I'll mention the speaker number in the description for your reference. So I'll go with this speaker, the left one first. The speaker comes in as a pair, so even if there is an issue with only one speaker in your laptop, you can't just replace that. You have to order both the speakers together, and it cost me around 2,800 rupees. So carefully remove the pin of the speaker. As you can see, I have removed it and attach the newly bought speaker. It's a fairly simple process. You just have to plug it in. Now you can see the right speaker is done. That is how it was previously. Now it looks far better. Now the same will repeat for the left speaker. Carefully remove the pin. And plug it in as we had done earlier. Now that you have replaced both the speakers, we just put the back lid back in. Yep. Close the back lid. Close it along the edges so that it falls right into the hinge. Now put the screws back. I'll put the screws back, and I'll just open my laptop.